So, die nehmen wir doch auch noch mit.
Damn, I can't believe it. Where did he get the balls?
That asshole Bourbon thought he'd just have a drink with the boss and everything's cool. Well, if it was the old boss, maybe.
No shit. The new pops has a real grudge against Bourbon. I'll be surprised if that lying drunk lives till morning.
The new pops torture the guy?
He might, but that's a lot of effort. Probably just shoot him in the head.
Good riddance, Iceman.
What? He's damn smart. I wouldn't be surprised if he had this Kawasaki Jakovka soon. Why?
Was macht das?
What's happening? That he's done the old guard in. Those are some fine men he knocked off.
What do you care? You're alive and even well fed, so shut up already.
Ich würde eben gerne meine 2 Wurfmesser noch holen, aber es ist so blöd.
Fingers, Alex, Rat, Andre.
Didn't I see them last week?
Was it Hunter? Nah, I heard some lone gunsman pull down the whole roadblock crew.
Alone?
Well, sure, there could be several of them. How are we supposed to know now?
Which roadblock? The one at the Chinatown?
Hell no. The one at
Ja, ich weiss, es ist ein bisschen dunkel, aber
That's a pity. It was a nice place.
ich habe ein bisschen Angst, um die Taschenlampen anmachen.
Let's drink that.
What? Mir das weh gemacht? What?
Look and look! Well, looks quiet to me. He's coming! What's happening? Ah, motherfucker!
Nein.
Die! Die, bastard! Got you, говняшка!
Shit. Okay.
You're finished, wanker!
Licht aus. Okay. Die dann haben es nicht bemerkt. Das wäre sehr, sehr wichtig. Sie haben es bemerkt. Shit. Mann, sind die gut gepanzert. Die Bastards. Okay. What? Zieh Gasmaske nach, Hoshi. Sehr schön. Oh! God damn it.
Here, bitch! These bullets are for you!
What?
Granat!
Granate. Nein, ich kämpfe besser von da hinten. Ich muss glaube eigentlich nur noch zu dieser Tür irgendwie kommen.
What did you bring with you, bastard? Answer, suka, or I will shot you! What? Who is it? Who is it? One eye! Hypocrite Bourbon, who?
Artyom!
Who the fuck is...
Bam! Tschüss! Shit! Bourbon! Ist noch verwünscht? Wer
You
bist
can
du?
keep your weapon down, young man.
Okay.
A sad but not unexpected finale for the likes of him. My name is Khan. Well, I suggest that we leave this place immediately. The companions of these bandits will show up soon enough, and I'd prefer to avoid more bloodshed. I'm going back to Cursed. This station's humidity is making me rheumatic. If you'd rather share your friend's fate, then by all means, stay. A wise decision.
Okay. Der Khan. Keine Ahnung, was jetzt gerade passiert
Khan's
ist. Es ist
appearance
jetzt...
caught me by
Ja.
surprise. Although while fighting the bandits, I did sense someone helping from the shadows.
Was? Ohne
Han
Scheiß.
assured me that Bourbon's fate was not tied to my own, but I regretted his death.
Ja. Ja, bedauern tue ich, ja. Er war mir eher ein bisschen suspekt gewesen und er hat überall Ärger gehabt, also. Naja. So herrlich gemacht, ey.
Nobody ever walks here. Neither people nor beasts. Even the rats are absent.
Oh. Das heißt...
They know we are here.
Es sind
Come
gleich.
closer to the tubes and listen. Just don't stay for too long. Some say
Oh.
it's the voice of the tunnels. Others consider it to be a form of psychic influence. I know this tunnel, and it knows me. Let's go.
Okay.
Be careful here. This is a dangerous tunnel. Please keep your light on, my friend, or else we might stay here forever.
Okay, ja.
Freeze and look forward. I don't think we need to go around it. Don't touch the silhouettes.
Okay. Ist das sie gewesen?
Concentrate.
Geh weg. Man, ist
Let's
das
go.
creepy. Da ist wieder ein kleiner Schatten. Das Kind.
Mom? Where are you?
Oh shit. Achtung. Ah, es ist schon zu spät. Es ist so creepy, ich habe so Gänsehaut, Mann.
Move aside, Artyom.
Shit. Achtung, das gibt nur einen Crash. Ah.
relive its past over and over again. And those who were unfortunate enough to walk here at such a moment usually join that past.
Voll krass. Also bis jetzt bin ich begeistert.
Let's go.
Geil, sorry. Bist du ein bisschen im Tschöckerle? Hm?
Freeze and look forward. A battle raged here long ago. The defenders still man their stations. Follow me, but remain at my back. Castone lapio asterion manto. Castone lapio asterion manto. Alum ram. Om castone lapio asterion manto. Castone lapio asterion alum ram. Om castone lapio asterion manto. I'd rather that remained a secret. This is personal, my friend.
Voll easy.
I was with them when they died.
Oh.
Only I survived. It appears that the devastation we brought upon ourselves was complete. Heaven, hell, and purgatory were atomized as well. So when a soul leaves the body, it has nowhere to go and must remain here in the metro. A harsh but not undeserved atonement for our sins, wouldn't you agree?
Ich weiß gar nicht, was ich soll sagen. Ich hätte nicht gedacht, dass sich das alles so entwickelt, dass da... Ich dachte, das ist simpel Horror und so. Es sind gleich noch philosophische Sachen und so drin.
Ah, shit!
Die hat wieder andere Schnauze.
This unfortunate is from Cursed. Clearly things are bad there.
Man.
Let's go.
Okay. Grusige Pilze, die so verseucht sind. Anomalie.
Han was an unusual man, but I suppose he was also a man of his time, moving between the dark and the light, searching for answers buried in the rubble.
Let's go.
So, ein Kapitel mache ich jetzt noch und dann schalte ich mal wieder ab. Was soll etwas anderes machen?
You can feel it coming, I see. That's a rare talent. You should use it. Don't move now. Don't move.
Was? Don't move. Willst du mich verarschen? Was ist das? Shit, der Sound ist so übel.
We call that an anomaly. A new phenomenon in a new world. complicated phenomenon, yes? But, you know, it's not any more evil than, say, fire. It all depends on your point of view. Try to get a better understanding of things before you make your judgment. Let's move out now. It's not safe here.
Sind wir da richtig?
Get ready. The beasts come again.
Oh, ich liebe, wenn sie so in Wellen kommen. Es ist einfach geil, so ein Niedermeer. Nope. Puh. Das ist... Oh oh.
Stay put. There's no need to interfere.
So, hey, der kommt. Oh. Oh. Darum meint er, es ist wie Feuer. Wow! War geil.
So that's how it goes. A live demonstration.
Exorzist. War cool. Also eine Anomalie kann mir sehr, sehr hilfreich sein.
Get onto the rail car. The tunnel should be all safe ahead. We'll get there easily.
Yeah. Ein bisschen motorisiert. Hä?
Batiom, you have a noble mission. Do you really suppose that Polis will help you? Or is there simply nothing else left to believe?
Ich weiß es nicht.
You don't have to answer. We'll arrive at the cursed station soon. The monsters have been unreal. Most people have abandoned the station. The unfortunate few who remain have nowhere else to go.
Curse Station.
Han led me into Curse Station. The name was no accident. Its people were locked in an endless war for survival.